Hello, I'm Sebastian Atlin. I'm a freshman in Grays. I'm planning on studying math with computer science, and my project is the math machine, which you will see now.
So my application is run through Flask, so you can just run this command. And then when you go to the website, you get our beautiful three-tiered website. In the second box, there are two buttons. The second one is the Take Test button, and it has four little sliders when you hover over it, each corresponding to a different setting. For this example, I'm going to do AMC 12, go to question 25, set 5 tests, and do 20 questions. And when we click the button Take Test, you see that it's loading, and you can actually go to the code space and see which tests it's loading in. And once it loads in, it'll give you a question. We have to wait. There we go. And 5 buttons with the 5 answer choices, as well as a give up button that we'll use later. And for the sake, I'm just going to press through this. And you can see that if you get the question wrong, it'll highlight red. And hopefully if I get one right soon enough, I'm doing pretty badly. But hopefully, there we go. So when I answer correctly, it'll highlight as green. And moreover, you can see that once I answer, it gives a little link to the solution. And you can click on it, and it'll actually give you a link to the solution, crazy enough. But that doesn't show up for the current problem, or else you could cheat. I'm going to finish through here and get to problem 20 because that's the length of test we set. And here we have the results page, total questions, correct answers, and each of the questions it gave me. And you can see that the questions are actually getting easier because I kept getting problems wrong. So a little neat thing. You can go back home, and a fun thing about this is if we set a test with the same test that we loaded from before, when we click the button, it loads instantly because we already loaded the problems. So a little efficient thing. And now I can also, well, first of all, you can see that if you click buttons from before, it doesn't work. But also if we press the give up button, it'll just list the last question as unanswered. The first button with the random problem, if you click on it, it gives you a random problem as you'd expect. And you can click another to get another random problem, and you can keep going through this. And it again has a solution link. The last one, if you click on the thoughts button, it'll give you the thoughts on the project. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you for listening.